Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Today we will trying to take a look at both euro currency and cable, because here and there we have the setups, and on the cable the setup has been triggered perfectly that we have specified. But on euro currency right now we have more important topic for discussion, because our setup that we have we were waiting for haven't been triggered yesterday. So euro right now stands under pressure and just can't quite turn to the upside. That's why we need to decide what to do next. But first on the cable. If you remember, on the cable we had this godless triple to buy pattern that we said should be triggered from the 1618 extension of this A, B, C top, D target. So that what we have talked about a couple of days ago. So we have the conclusion that probably the market should reach this deep level and start an upward action, right confidence support. So that has happened perfectly. Market just has spiked down this area, touched the extended target and skyrocketed. So those of you who have taken the long position here probably should be happy. Those who did not probably currently could take a look at some retracement here. It's still possible. For example, on the hourly chart, maybe this some kind of the reverse hand shoulders will be formed. Some retracement, maybe godless triple to buy will be formed. Upward action has started with the completion of this butterfly as well. So you can see this upward reversal. Speaking about the targets, guys, current situation on the Great British Pound is rather attractive, because on the daily chart you can see that has been formed the bullish grabber, and this grabber suggests that market should take it out of this top. I currently do not want to take a look, take a too extended view, but theoretically this is possible that market really could continue move higher with this godless triple. Recall that we also could get the butterfly here, that our third possible pattern that could be formed. If you remember, we have started from the AB equals CD. Godless triple to sales was minor retracement that we have traded. Now we're talking about 134.40, 1618 godless triple two. It also has led to some retracement in here. We have decided to take the long position. Now we stand in the long, and we have the grabber that suggests the taking out of this top. Currently, it's impossible to say whether this will be just wash and rinse of this top and market will drop by forming the reversal pattern here, or it will be a real upward continuation above this top. But existence of the grabber tells that some upside potential still exists here. That's why if we will get moderate retracement on the slope of this rally, and overall rally is staying really strong, guys, some retracement probably it could let us take long position here as well. So personally, I'm keeping long right from this area. So just was sleeping order actually. So that's what we have on the cable. So very pleasant view. So nothing curious. It's a pleasure to take a look at this picture. Now speaking on not as pleasant situation on the euro currency. So major concern, guys, stands with this setup that we have on the daily chart, because that was rather strong support there. You probably remembered what we have talked about yesterday. And we said that if market will break it down, it will be not quite bullish behavior, because this is not normal for a bullish market to break confidence supports in agreement on a retracement on the daily chart. But here we have some background for that action. So if you'll take a look at today's news, guys, I will show you. So what is really all this stand about? This is mostly political issue. So I'll read here. Traders waited to see if British Prime Minister Theresa May has finally clinched an elusive deal with the Irish and EU officials on the how they would run their post-Brexit land border on the island of Ireland. So here are some questions around the free trade, and they need to come to agreement on the border after the Brexit. What the border will be of the island between the Ireland and the European Union, and starting the normal free trade space. So here's an agreement will remove the last obstacle for opening free trade talks with the European Union. May is likely to meet Jean-Claude Juncker before dawn in Brussels. So that could become the pressure of this political issue, and maybe it will resolved soon. I do not know. But technically, this situation looks not really attractive, guys. By taking a look at this picture, it seems that it's really possible that market could reach the XLP target, 1618 extension around next FIB supports 117 area. Today, guys, non-farm payroll is and investors expect to get by the Reuters poll 200,000. So this also could lead to the short-term pressure and maybe put euro slightly lower right to this target. That's why currently it's a bit tricky moment. So euro could turn to the upside soon, but we do not know definitely how it will happen, when this happens, because the political issue brings a lot of uncertainty in this process. Another moment is that on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, actually the Gartner's 222 is still valid, because real invalidation point stands below these lows. But target is 1618 stands also below these lows. So if market is coming to the next target, it means that it will erase this pattern. You just need to check whether market is not oversold. Not. As you can see, oversold area also stands in this area. That's why it's a normal rule for the traders, if your context is wrong, whatever really could happen, it's better to leave the trade, because your background that you're based your trade has failed. That's why you have no reasons to keep in trade anymore. It's better trying to take later when you see some other opportunities to do this. That is normal logic. So, but here, guys, is choice is up to you. You could try to keep the position for a while until market will not take this loss. This is really very personal decision, because it depends on the value of your position, on the money management style and psychology. So, but personally for me, I will not keep the position, because the breakout of the strong level and failure of the major pattern, it really not good sign. And in expectation of the non-farm payrolls release, I do not see some really reasons to keep in this position for this. So on the hourly chart, market also stands in this channel, and it's mostly, if we could speak about reversal only, if channel will be broken up. So that being said, guys, for me personally, the negative signs on euro currency right now is overwhelming the positive signs. Although theoretical upside reversal is still possible, but it's a bit unclear how this will happen and from which level. That's why, as our setup now is not working anymore, I think that I will not keep this trade that I have taken yesterday based on this setup. So that's what we see right now on euro currency. Now let's just waiting for non-farm payroll is what will happen, and let's see how situation will change on euro currency. Probably we will discuss the euro currency in our weekend, because we already will have the non-farm payrolls on result, and maybe some results of the negotiations between the May and the Juncker will be available on the weekend.